easily cook these in every single dish I probably make. I love peppers, as you can tell. I just like cutting them into loops, circles. Cut the peppers all the way down. Like that. Just want to brown them a little, brown your meatballs over here a little bit. I always put a little bit of water in it. Put the lid back on. This is what I do. Right, Ted? He's tired. I woke him up. Always trying to sleep, huh, Ted? I just cut up all the peppers. Just cut them all the way down. We keep peppers by the bags. Green, red, all types. I like them. I hate when they only give me a few red ones out of the bag. I have all these orange and yellow ones. All my peppers together. I'll push all these to the side. Put those in there, yeah. Do my onions first. You can show them what it looks like in there. Let it cook for a little bit. It's going to be like a spicy Swedish meatball. Spicy Swedish meatballs. So it's going to be like a little sweet and spicy kick to it. All I do. I'm going to throw your peppers in. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to make the sauce. So I'll let this cook for a little bit more. How long? Balls, I got a little bit of this brown sugar. Throw that away from me, buddy. Thank you. And I would say for these meatballs, take 2 beef bouillon cubes, 2 chicken for flavor, they're already kind of spicy, but I like them spicy. What I'm going to do is open up these bouillon cubes. So I'm about to make my sauce.
So when do you want to do a face reveal?
When I'm dressed, buddy, I'm always cooking and stuff when I'm at home. So I don't like it, buddy.
Okay.
Because I'm in my lounging clothes. I didn't already took off my clothes when I came home from work.
Okay.
You know. A lot of people don't know how to cook and make flavor out of their foods. I make flavor out of everything I do. As that's cooking, I like to throw a little bit more juices in there. Water. We're just going to make some Swedish meatballs. Got a little heavy cream here. That's going to help get that Swedish flavor. Or milk. Milk works too. And now I'm going to take my spoon. I don't need you to do that, buddy. So you know we have the brown sugar in here. We got our peppers and our onions. Anytime you want to make a mixture and maybe make it thicker or something like that, you can always add flour like you would do to make gravy. So I'm going to make a little gravy out of this. Or a little flour. Just want to get this all mixed in. That's a little powdered sugar. Last time when I was cooking, you can always add to what you want to add. I have a lot of different stuff in my house, so I add what I want to add all the time. Look at that. So, and that's going to be my Swedish meatballs. And the only thing I'm going to do is thicken it up with some flour. Flour water. Some flour water. We're going to let this cook for a little bit more. See what this tastes like. Pretty good. But after those bouillon cubes come out, those beef bouillon cubes come out, all that flavor is going to come out.
Okay.
I would say put it on about 4.5, 5 if you got a electric stove like I do. So what I'm going to do is right now is make some flour water. Make me some gravy. No, only thing you really have to do to make gravy is cold water and a couple of spoonfuls of flour. That makes your gravy. Makes good gravy too. Especially if you got the other flavorings you need. I like Worcestershire sauce. So trust me, I'm about to throw that a little bit in my sauce too. This is flour to thicken the gravy that I'm making.
2 cups.
I would say this is about a cup of water. And maybe like 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour. I kind of know how I want it thick, so that's how. That's only 3. Here is about 4. And what I'll do is I'll just add that to this. See how the bouillon cubes is coming up? The flavoring is going on through the meatballs now.
Is there cheese in it?
No cheese is in here. Taylor.
Smells like it.
Just peppers, onions, brown sugar, powdered sugar, a little powdered sugar, salt and pepper. See, and watch how thickened this gets. You want to stir in your water, flour water. It's gonna make it, like I said, it's gonna make its own gravy. I like using more brown sugar, but I ran out. That's gonna be good. It's going, like I said, it's gonna have a little. It's gonna have a little kick to it too, with these Swedish meatballs, because they're the spicy meatballs that I got from the grocery stores. I usually can make it with some ground meat, but I seen them on sale. Pick 5. Pick 5 when I went to Giant Eagles. And I said, ooh, that is what makes some good Swedish meatballs. And that's what I'm going to just do with this. And then you just let that cook. I will say, just letting it thicken. Once it starts to thicken, I'm going to put this down on like a 3. Just let that cook. It's going to cook really nicely. Taylor, want to show you.